I'm going to reveal an incredibly powerful 10-minute, totally free traffic source that almost no one is using. This incredibly easy traffic method can allow you to generate $250 or more a day promoting Digistore24 products in whatever niche you want to promote in. The best part is this will work without you having to show your face online, without having an audience, or even taking more than 10 minutes a day. I'm going to share every single step as far as how to find a high converting product to promote, how to get content that you don't even have to create yourself, and this little used yet highly visited site that you can post that done for you content to start to get tons of daily clicks to your affiliate links on total autopilot. Now, real quick, before I dive in, I want to share a Facebook message I received recently from one of my followers to motivate you on what's possible. You can see this girl sent me this message. She said, "Thanks a million. Just the third day of applying the video training you shared and already made 2 sales. So this is what really motivates me. You can see what's possible, and now I can help you create your success story as we dive into this method." Last, I want to announce that if you want the chance to win 3 nights in a luxurious hotel in Las Vegas, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel with the bell icon. This will also alert you of my latest training so you don't miss out. Now, once you do subscribe with the bell icon, click the second link in the description for details on how to let me know you've done that to officially enter into the giveaway. You'll also learn how you'll get notified shortly if you're the lucky winner of this amazing prize. So without further ado, let's dive into the very first step of today's training. So like I said, we're going to be using Digistore24. All you have to do is go over to Digistore24.com, click register now if you don't already have an account, and within a matter of minutes, by selecting affiliate, you can sign up and you can go ahead and access your dashboard. Okay, now once you're back here, you want to click the tab with marketplace, and this will list all these different niches. Now, Digistore24 has dance and music products, education, home and garden. Now, this method that I'm going to teach will work in any niche, but for this video, we're going to be using fitness and health. So just go ahead and click fitness and health, and once you do, you want to sort results by sales rank. This will share with us the best-selling products at the very top of the page, and you can see that the top product currently is the ultimate keto meal plan, which I'm going to be promoting in this video. Then all you have to do is, if there's a blue button, click that blue button and it unlocks your affiliate link. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that, open up a notepad file and put that in to keep it handy because we're going to be using this in just a second. Now, I will say Digistore24 is not my favorite place to find products to promote. If you want to discover my #1 affiliate system that will pay you instant 100% commissions up to $2,000, click the first link below to join that program. But without further ado, what traffic source are we going to be using? Well, it's little known. A lot of people don't use it. It's Tumblr, Tumblr.com. Now, maybe you have an account with Tumblr, but many people are not using this to promote affiliate products. Now, if I go over to a site called similarweb.com, this site tells you how popular different websites online are. I put in Tumblr.com, and you can see that just in September, there's been 232 million visitors. Okay, so there's an endless opportunity of getting traffic. If I go down here, you can see where the countries are coming from, and you can see that United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, this is top tier traffic, meaning that there's good chances these people have money to buy our products when we start to promote on Tumblr.com. So what you want to do is you want to go over to Tumblr. If you don't yet have an account, you want to click sign up, and then you just want to go through the process. It asks for your age, which I'm 31, blog name. Now for the blog name, it's good to create something related to the product and niche. So for this, I can do, weight loss tips, and I can hit next. So once you do that, it will create an account like this. Now you can see people are posting all these different types of content, videos, photos, okay? This is like a blog website where you can post blogs. We're going to actually post content without having to create it ourselves. So if we go back to Digistore24, whatever product we're promoting, they're going to typically have an affiliate support page. We can just open up that link right there. And once you do that, you want to access the affiliate materials. Now, depending on what product product you promote. Some products are going to have more tools than others. This one right here, it has a lot. Okay, so if I go up here and I put my email in and just click there, it will ultimately take me to this site here. Now we want to scroll down and we want to see that they have different types of tools. Okay, so they have landing pages, different types of traffic. But for the sake of this video, we want to actually find videos. So a lot of these affiliate pages will actually have videos you can use to promote their product. So the closest thing we're going to find is YouTube ads. So if we click that right there, it's going to take us to download the YouTube ad creatives. So all you have to do is click here, and this will take us to a Google Drive folder with 3 different videos that we can use totally free to promote this product. Okay, so I'm just going to download this very first one. You just right click and then click download. Now, once that downloads to your device, what we want to do is go back to Tumblr. Now, what we want to understand is the way people are going to find posts on Tumblr is typically through hashtags. Okay, you can see this video's hashtags here. You can see almost every person is using hashtags. So rather than having to come up with them ourselves, what we want to do is search a few words that have to do with the niche and product we're promoting. So I can do weight loss and I can search this. And what we want to do is we want to find these top ranking posts because we know that they are using good hashtags. Okay, so you can see this one right here has 1,432 notes, this one 44. So that's pretty good. What that is how many people have interacted. So what we want to do is we want to actually take one of these top ranking posts in a keyword that relates to our product and niche, and we just want to copy this. We're literally going to swipe the tag. So if we open up this notepad again that has our affiliate link, I can hit enter a few times and I can just go ahead and paste that in. Now we want to format it, okay? So we want to actually add a space between each of them like this. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back in just 1 second. All right, so I went ahead and did that, and you can see that we have this string of hashtags that we're gonna be using when we go ahead and post in a second. So now that we've done that, the next thing we wanna do is we wanna go to this top right and click this pencil. And this is going to allow us to choose what type of content we wanna promote and post. So we can do text, we can do photo. For the sake of this video, we're going to do video. Now, once you do that, we want to click upload video, and we want to actually choose the video that we just downloaded from the resources that this product gives you. Okay, so it's uploading right there. And now what we want to do is we want to actually write a call to action under this video with our Tumblr post. This is how we're going to start to get passive clicks to our affiliate link, generating us money. So I can say, do you want to learn the best way to lose weight fast? You can also do this for the make money online niche. Do you want to learn the best way to make money fast? Do you want to learn the best way to attract your ideal lover? Whatever niche you're in, go here. And then all we have to do is you can actually highlight that right there, and I can go ahead and click this little paper clip, and I can open up our notepad, take our affiliate link, copy that, and then just paste it in right there and click done. So now that is clickable. So now what we want to do is we want to go to the add tags section, and we want to open up this notepad, and we just want to copy our hashtags that we swiped from the top ranking post, and we just paste that in like that. And then all you have to do is double check everything looks good. The video is posted. We have a call to action with the link to our affiliate product, and then we have hashtags. And then we can just choose if we want to post now. You can add to queue, you can post privately, or you can schedule. But I'm just going to post now and then just click there, and you can see that it will post in a matter of seconds. Okay, so once that video is uploaded and post, again, the way it's going to work is people will go here, they'll type in a hashtag such as weight loss, they'll search that, our video and post will start showing up under these hashtags. People will see it, they'll read our description right there, they'll click the affiliate link, and then because it's a high converting product, as you can see, ranking it from the sales rank, they'll go to this affiliate link here, they'll look it over, and when the button appears to buy and they buy through our link, we will start to earn these sweet commissions. Now, last thing I want to share is what happens if you run out of videos or they don't have a lot of videos with the product you're promoting. Another thing you can do to find more content is go to youtube.com, type in a few words that have to do with the niche your product is in, and then filter by Creative Commons. These are actually videos that people give you the right to use as your own. So what you can do is you can find a good one, something giving value, something teaching people valuable information. Okay, so this could be good right here, the biggest weight loss myth. What you can do is right click that video, copy link address, then you can go over to a site like ssyoutube.com, paste in the link that you just copied, and then you can actually download this video from YouTube to your computer or your device. And then once it downloads, you would just go back to Tumblr, create a new post, and then upload that video right here with your affiliate link and more hashtags. Now, as I said before, be sure to click the first link below to see a free video revealing how to easily set up my #1 affiliate system to promote with the method shared in this video to get paid instant 100% commissions. Also, click the subscribe button with the bell icon so you don't miss out on my latest money-making methods. And last, if you want to discover another incredibly easy method to make commissions online, be sure to click the video that will show on the screen in just a second to discover that one also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.